Hey guys, so I'm gonna be making a little bit of a different style of video. This is more of an informative, um, kind of educational video, a little more creative. Okay, now I'm just letting you guys know this is in no way, shape, or form investment advice. You guys do whatever you want with your money. I'm just giving you the information. But now, with that out of the way, this is silver futures. Okay, as you can read up here. And this weird confusing thing that you're looking at is called the profile, the volume profile, market profile. Okay, and this is just basically arranging the data of the market, right price, instead of being a candlestick chart that you're probably used to, it's just arranging it in a distribution. Okay, don't worry if you don't really understand. What I'm gonna be going over is very simple. Um, so just keep an open mind and just kind of pay attention. Okay. Now, the profile shows a couple things, and one of the main things that it shows is where value is. Okay, what value is basically the most accepted price over a time period. Okay, so for example, each of these little distributions is a year. Okay, so this is 2017, 2018, 2019, and this is showing all the trading that has happened, all the prices that have traded in this year. Okay, so we went down here, we went up. So it shows, it just pretty much accumulates the data of where price has been and puts it in this. Okay, now it also charts the volume, so it tells you where the price is or was most accepted. Okay, in this case, in this year, the price was most accepted at 17.8. That's where we traded the most. Okay, but as you can see, very obvious to see this. What has happened in the past 6-7 years? We've been kind of in this balance, okay, in this range. Okay, and what is that causing? That's causing value to be right here. Okay, if you were to take an average of all the values for all these years, you would have something around here. Okay, now price requires a lot of effort. Okay, and effort is equal to volume and aggressive buyers or sellers, just a lot of strength to get away from it. A lot. The longer it goes, the more volume it requires, and the crazier or the more explosive the action is. Now, here's the little tricky part. Okay? Now, once markets break away from value, where do they go? They will tend to go towards, guess what? Value. Okay, so now we have to analyze where is value previously at? Up here. Okay, value was up here. Okay, and that happens to be 34.247. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. Now I will explain why this market is gonna go up here and past that. My target is 40, by the way. Now let me explain what has been happening that you probably don't even know about. In the futures market, there has been somebody artificially holding down price of silver for all these years. Okay, could be the government, could be an investment bank. It doesn't really matter who it is. Just that the price has been held back in a range for all this time. There has to be somebody holding price down. Okay, now what's the reason for that? Somebody out there is buying silver. Okay, they're buying it, they're buying it, they're buying it at these low prices, right? While they're holding it down, so that guess what? When they are loaded up to the gills with everything they got, they get out of the way, and guess what? This market blows its top, and it flies to the moon, kind of like Bitcoin did, or Dogecoin, or whatever those crazy cryptos did, something like that, right? Now, what I'm going to show you now is where most people got stopped out and why it's so significant. This is why I am telling you this information now, because for an auction to come to a conclusion, there needs to be something out of the ordinary needs to happen, right? There needs to be a crazy move to shake people out and to, balance itself out. Now, guess what happened here? On the 2nd of March, right? Corona season, right? Coronavirus started. We went all the way, gap down, right? This is where all stops were run. All these people for all these years stopped out, okay? Now, guess what? It's party time for the people that know what they're doing. They started buying it, buying it, buying it at all these low prices, right? The person or whoever that was holding price down artificially got out of the way. And now guess what? There is nothing holding back this market, okay? Like I said, it will go towards value. Where's value? 34 and higher, okay? Obviously, it's not going to be an exact level, or at least most of the time it won't, but we should be targeting 40s or at least 34 at these prices right here, okay? And this is from 2011, 2012. That's where we're targeting. Okay, but like I said, this is pure accumulation. Somebody's buying, 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 low prices, right? And then once we build enough volume, we shoot for the sky. Now, if you want to go and check for yourself, go ahead, look at pretty much all sellers of silver, gold, all that. Look them up online. See what you see. See what you find. Okay, you're gonna see that a lot of places are out of stock. Okay, that's not by coincidence. Okay, and I know this is probably new information for a lot of you guys, but these things happen in the markets all the time. There's somebody playing the game smarter and better than we are. Okay, now it's just kind of up to you to decide and to figure out what the games are. But I guarantee that you will find games being played all over the markets. Okay. And again, guys, I just want to say this is not investment advice. I'm not telling you to go and sell your house to buy silver, but I am telling you what I am telling you. Okay, you do whatever you want with this information. I am already invested. I bought it at 16. Okay, I've been holding it for over a month. Okay, and my target is 40, like I said. So once we get up there, I'll probably take some off. It could still go higher. It could go lower. I don't really know. I don't really care. All I know is that we're going to go higher and we're going to get to value. Okay? And it's going to be a wild ride. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, you guys know where to put them down below. Make sure you like the video so people can see it or not. I don't know if that's a good thing. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day tomorrow.